All right, so today we are getting ready for rotisserie cooking this little 6.5 pound chicken over an open fire. That's right. So we're gonna create a brine. I'm gonna brine this for 24 hours and then, yeah, we'll clean it up. We'll get it seasoned and then on the fire. So this is a cup of kosher salt, half a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna throw in 4 bay leaves. We have some thyme and, no, fuck it. We'll throw it all in there. And then I wanna throw some black peppercorns, 8 cloves of garlic. Give these a little CPR. We have some fresh thyme. Give them a little squeeze. Apples, same. Get a little water over here. And let's throw our bird in. Yeah, this should be good to go. On the rotisserie we go. This will be ready for dinner tomorrow.